Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm thrilled to guide you on how to use Notion to build your very own recipe database. This will be your go-to resource for all your favorite recipes, neatly organized and easily accessible. Let's dive right in. First up, you'll need to create a new page on Notion. Click on the plus New Page button on the sidebar. This new page will serve as the home base for your recipe database. Now, you may wonder why we need a separate page. Well, it helps us to keep everything tidy and manageable. On to the next step. You should now see the page editor. Here, type in the name for your page. It could be something fun like My Culinary Adventures. Below that, you'll see an option to choose an icon and a cover. These visual cues add a personal touch to your page and make it more identifiable at a glance. Now that we've done that, let's move on to building the database itself. Click on the / key on your keyboard and scroll to the database option. Select Table to start laying down the foundation of your recipe database. The reason we do this is to create a structured space to store your recipes, making them easy to sort and find later. Next up, it's time to customize your table columns. Naming these columns appropriately is vital as they will hold specific details about your recipes. For example, you could have columns for recipe name, ingredients, preparation time, among others. This helps us because it provides a clear and detailed overview of each recipe at a glance. Now let me explain why this matters. Having a well-structured database allows you to quickly add new recipes and find old ones. Each time you come across a new recipe, all you have to do is add a new row to the table and populate the columns with the recipe details. And when you're in the mood for a specific dish, you can simply use the search bar to pull it up instantly. But here's what's happening behind the scenes. Notion stores all these details in its cloud, meaning you can access your recipe database from any device, anywhere. And there you have it, your very own recipe database on Notion. Remember, the key to a good recipe database is regular updates. Each time you stumble upon a delicious dish, don't forget to add it to your database. Thanks for joining me in today's tutorial. Now, it's time for you to get cooking with Notion.